Ready to revolutionize your outbound communication with a voice AI agent that's as charming as it is efficient? Alright, let's jump right in. First, head over to the Retell AI website and either sign up or log into your account. This is where the magic begins. Once you're in, navigate to the Agents section, usually found on the left-hand navigation menu. Now, click that big, shining Create Agent button. This signals the start of your AI agent creation journey. Next, it's time to select the type of agent you want to craft. Since we're making an outbound agent, choose the outbound option you are aiming for success. Now personalize your agent. Here's where you give your agent its personality. Retell lets you customize its name, voice, and even its accent to match your brand. Think of how you want your AI to be perceived by your customers. Create the agent's call flow. Write out the script you want your agent to follow. This script guides the agent through the entire outbound call: greeting, questions to ask, any prompts that it needs to respond to, and closing the call. Next, configure your agent's phone number. Select and configure the phone number the agent will call from. Make sure to review your calling settings, such as the time zone and call duration limit, to fit your needs. Then, you will be selecting the numbers or lists your agent will be calling. Finally, let's monitor performance. After some calls, go to the analytics area to view call metrics. Keep refining your agent as needed for even better results. Congratulations! You've built your outbound voice AI agent.